Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink a Monday.
Yeah.
And today we have Gatorade Fast Twitch Ignites Power.
That sure is a mouthful to say.
Yeah, I think it's what it is. It's Fast Twitch that partnered up with Gatorade. Is basically what the idea is. But anyways, this thing looks pretty good. Strawberry watermelon is the flavor. But we got 10 little calories in here. We got 160 milligrams of sodium. We got 50 milligrams of potassium, 1.7 milligrams of B6, 2.4 micrograms of B12, 200 milligrams of caffeine, and electrolytes. That's your important factoids.
I'm guessing it'll be real smooth.
I'm going to guess it's going to be kind of smooth. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to open it up here and give ourselves a bit of a sip. Ooh, it smells good.
Oh yeah. That's strawberry one.
Ooh. Kind of syrupy.
I had a strawberry mango tea yesterday.
That's pretty good. Very nice and smooth, almost like a strawberry watermelon popsicle that's melted.
So it's a little bit more syrup than your conventional.
Yeah.
Gatorade. Huh.
It doesn't have any sugar in it, but it definitely tastes good.
Wow, that is syrupy.
Yeah.
Man, I like.
It's pretty good. Almost on the high C kind of scale, almost.
Really? I like it.
But only 10 calories in there.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. That's cool.
And no carbohydrates. So
That's nice. I'm a fan. And it was low calories, no carbohydrates.
And that's no carbohydrates. So I mean, that's pretty good. I mean, as long as you're not needing that carbonation for like a scratchy throat from just like working in dust and stuff like that, that is a really good go-to after workout, etc., little drink. So that's pretty good. I like it.
Very nice caffeinated, sports drink.
Exactly. So that's nice. Very smooth, very easy, just to gulp down real quick. So.
I
Like
think
that.
Gatorade's got a winner there.
I think so. Yeah. So.
That's a big fan. Now, if they would put it into packets,
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, I'd say I could drink that almost any day. So I mean, it's not really energy drink soda,
right?
but I'd still say it's probably an SRT 392 because I mean it's very smooth and just drink it real quick and stuff. So I'm not sure if there's any other flavors.
It's kind of like what the Celsius is, smoother blends, tea blends.
Yeah, that's probably what they're trying to do. Yeah. So,
It's
anyways.
very popular.
Yeah.
Cool.
So I like it.
Big
They're
fan.
pretty good. So good job to Gatorade and Fast Twitch.
I would get again.
I would definitely get again. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.